Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, what's up? Uh, did a couple of trades this morning. I was I did a little risky trade this morning on SOXS and it didn't work out. Um, and since that stock is so cheap, it there we go. The market's open, and I'm trying to make my dollar for the day, the dollar for today. And right now I'm already down 50 cents because I jumped in on a cheaper SOX. SOSX is cheap. So it's like if I'm down 20 cents, I'm actually down like 40 cents. So look at this. I thought this thing was going to take off, man. Everybody's anticipating this thing's going to take off today because we have a ceasefire. The ceasefire, I guess. The ceasefire. So I'm in it. Um, right now I was somewhat breaking even, I guess. I mean, I was, but this is. Everybody's expecting this thing to shoot up to the moon today. I mean, it really is. I don't know. Let me put my chart up on the SPY. It's going down. The SPY is going down. Why is the SPY going down? Talk about weird. The market is green. The SPY is going down. Unbelievable. Why is the SPY going down? Something's selling off. Something big's selling off. That's why it's holding the market back. Something's big is selling off. That's insane. I thought this thing would be already at $70. Why is the SPY selling off? Why is the SPY selling off? See, and that's the thing, man. The market makers, they do what they want. They got good news. They got good news because of the 2-week ceasefire. And the SPY is trying to sell off. You see, that's how they get your money. That's how the hedge funds take the retail money. That's how they take it, man. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Good news. And retail gets caught holding the bag. Unbelievable. I thought this thing would be at $70 already. Wow, look at that. Got smoked. Got truly smoked. Good news. So I'm guessing, the first three candles, things are going to be a little restless. Once things start cooling down, this should be all right. I don't know. Could be wrong. Like I said, Wall Street is so disconnected from Main Street that they can do whatever they want. Because they think that everybody's going to be bullish today because of the 2-week ceasefire. So, yeah, that's what they're thinking. Everybody's bullish today. So they're going to go bearish and they're going to try to destroy all the bulls. Unbelievable, man. Let me see, make sure everything's good here. Yeah, we're still good. Okay. Wow. Can't believe it. Look at that. So semiconductors are going up, but the SPY is trying to push down. Somebody is forcing this down. Somebody is just hitting short, 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 short. Somebody's hitting the short button so hard. But how long will that last? How long will that last? Because it's a ceasefire. It should continue to go up. But man, if I was trading the SPY, I'd be wrecked. So let's see how fast I can get this dollar. Remember, my daily goal is just to make $1. So let's see what happens here. And right now, I'm getting back right now at 50. If I made 50 cents right here, that means I'm getting back. I'm getting back what I lost. Right there. So let me make a little mark right here. I'm going to edit that. That's the true That's the true number. That blue line is my true number. That's the true number. That blue line. Oh, wow. I can't believe it. I thought this thing was going to go to the moon. See, that's what I say, man. You can't form a bias on these stuff, right? You can't form a bias. No matter what these people say, man, you just can't form a bias because they got good news. And CNBC is saying stock surge, crude oils. That doesn't mean nothing to these people because that right there tells them to turn it to go the opposite way. All right. Oh, all right, and see what happens. So right now, I'm up 15 cents. 70, and now I'm up 20 cents. I'm truly up 20 cents because I lost 50 cents already on the pre-market. I lost 50 cents in the pre-market. So I need it. This thing needs to be say $1.50 in order for me to make my goal today. $1.50. Right now, if you look at it right now, it needs to be say $1.50 for me to make my goal today. $1.50. Because I already lost 50 cents on the pre-market. I already lost 50 cents. So am I going to make my $1.50 today? This thing just might rally all day. I mean, I don't know what's going on with the SPY, but the SPY is dragging their feet really bad. I don't, somebody's really pushing hard for that to go down. I don't know why. Because that's how the market makers are, right? I mean, what do they want to do it, right? Until that gets the lead out and starts really pumping up high, it's gonna be hard for me to make my dollar today. Well, not really that hard. I think it'd be all right. But I'm up 30 cents right now. I'm up 30 cents. Truly, I'm up 30 cents because at 50 cents I was down. So I need $1.50, just over $1.50 today, and I should be all right. Here we go. $1.50. I think I'll be all right today. This is one of the days where I think I could truly feel better. Wow, look at that. It went all the way up and then it got right back down. Everything's pointing up. All the indicators are pointing up. All the indicators are pointing up. I don't know why the SPY would be going down. Oh, because but yeah, I don't know why the SPY would be struggling. Because there are bears out there. There truly are bears out there that want to destroy it. I just don't get it. Maybe that's just a pullback and it goes up even higher. I don't know. Hopefully it does. That's just a little pullback, or this thing goes all the way back down. Because look at the SPY. Wow. Semiconductors. Yeah, look at the SPY, man. The SPY is really trying so hard to go down. Wow. Crazy. So let's see if I can make my dollar. See if I can make my dollar, man. Look at that. Look at that. It's going down, but that's just the overall market. But there ain't no strength. I don't see no. I don't see no pink arrows. I don't see no purple arrows, pink arrows. I don't see that. So it doesn't look like it's going to hold strong down. It bounced off the 10 EMA. Does it continue to try to go down? All the airlines are going up. Everything's going up, but why is SPY going down? There's got to be maybe Tesla or maybe Tesla or man, it bounced off to 20. This thing is start. Look at this. This is unbelievable. See, I'm not even trading this right. Wow, look at that. I'm not even trading. I was up almost at 90 cents, and I didn't take that 90 cents off the table. Look at now; it's even going even further down. See, the market is irrational. Good news. Good news, and the market tanks. Look at that. There's a pink arrow. Wow. Yeah, I totally messed up, man. Do not follow the bias. Just trade the price action. And I get sometimes I make mistakes like that. I truly do. I form a bias with everybody else. Everybody else is bullish, but the market makers they know that everybody's bullish, so they're going to force this down for a while until eventually I believe it will go back up. But yeah, everybody's bullish right now. Everybody's bullish. But I don't know why the spies. Wow, the spy is really hurting the market. Yeah, I messed up there. I'm down 50 cents though. I'm down 50 cents. Wow. So does this recover? I believe so. I mean, it's right there in my entry, but my true entry is 66.76. That's my true entry. But look at this. Yeah. So that's what the bears are doing. The bears are killing the market. Even though we got a 2 week ceasefire. Yeah. Yeah, crazy. Look at that. Look at that. I messed up. I formed a bias, and I shouldn't have formed the bias. I followed the rest of these dickheads. I followed the rest of them. That's what I did. And look what happened. I killed myself. And I'm still feeling the bias inside me. That's the reason why I didn't cut it. I'm still feeling the bias. Unbelievable. I'm still feeling the bias. I swear, man, I gotta get this channel off. I gotta stop watching this channel. I swear, I gotta stop watching that channel. That channel forms the bias, man. Forms the bias. I'm over here with these guys. Stocks surging, crude oil's tanking, 2 week ceasefire. Does that make any difference on this stock? Or look at or the spy? No, because the market makers are going to push this thing down no matter what. They kill good news. Idiot, man. Price action. Just trade the price action. That's it. Well, I'm in it now. Yeah, just trade the price action. I formed the bias this morning. I should never even read the freaking news, man. Just trade the price action. Like an idiot. And the bias is still in me. It's still stuck in me. The bias. And this stock is truly trying to tank. Yeah, I shut off that news, man. Pissed me off. Yeah, the the market is trying to be bearish today. Trying to be bearish. Those hedge funds are pushing the sell button. Sell, 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 sell like crazy. Like right now, look at that. Look at all those orders on my time and sales on the right there. All those orders coming in. Just tons of sell, sell, sell. Because they don't make any money when Main Street makes money. When Main Street makes money, these guys don't make any money. They make money the opposite. See that? See all that red in there on the tape? Yeah. Well, hopefully this is just the first 5 minutes, first 5-10 minutes, so it shakes out the jitters. But I've already formed the bias, and my bias tells me that this will push all the way up. This will be like close to $70 by the end of the day. That's what my bias is telling me because of the news I heard, this morning's news and stuff. I mean, the ceasefire, the 2 week ceasefire. Yeah, but I didn't trade it like that. I should have traded it the way I was supposed to trade it. The way I've been planning on trading it yesterday. I planned on trading it. Just just get in and get out. That was the plan. But No, I didn't do it like that. So hopefully this is just the jitters. You know, people shaking out trades. You know, let's see what happens here. So it spiked overnight from $57 to $66, and sometimes that's what happened with me when I was in that stock, Oxy. It already made the move overnight. It already made the move overnight. So the next day I got stuck in it because it was trending down because it already jumped 10 points overnight. It jumped 10 points overnight. So when I got in thinking that it's going to keep going up, the move was already there. The jump was already there. Yep. That's what happened. Yep. So yeah, the move was already priced in. That's what they say. The move was already priced in. So now this is the sell off. That's what happened with Oxy when I jumped in Oxy. 2 days of suffering that stock, man. 2 days of suffering. I suffered that stock, man. Because I saw it. I saw it when you pull back. You see it jump like freaking $10 already. The move was already priced in, and that's sometimes you can get distracted on that, thinking that it's going to keep going up like crazy. We'll see what happens here. I mean, the SPY is trying to get back up. Disappointed in myself, man. Really am. Performing a bias. So let's see what happens here. I'm cooking some food right now, so I gotta get ready to go and shut that off. So I got something in the oven. I got a bun in the oven. So let's see if this is the rally. The rally. Is this the rally? Let's see if this is the rally I'm looking for. That sound is on my Hikinashi chart that you can't see it right there. The Hikinashi chart on the right. That sound there tells me that there's a change in the direction, which is the telephone ring. The telephone ring tells me that there's a change in the direction. Hopefully. So, and on the left there, it's a 5 minute chart. That's all that is. So let's go back down. The reason why I took off SOXS on the right, because on the left side and all the other charts, even the SPY, when it goes up and that level 2 indicator reads the buy, people buying in, like large buys coming in, that noise right there, that ding, when I hear that ding, that means jump in. But when I had socks on, when that is the 3x leverage reverse, when that made that ding sound, I was thinking that socks was going up, but actually socks is going down. So it's a reverse. So I took off socks and I just got long bias tickers on. I got the SOXL and I got SPY. So when I hear that noise bing, that means that we're still bullish. We're still going up. We're still bullish. So there's the pullback. Wow, look at that pullback. Someone just dumped a crap load of shares in. It even stopped my time in sales. That's how big the pullback was. That's how big the pullback was. Wow. Massive order just went through. Massive order to pull that back that far down. Crazy. I saw that in the timing. It froze my time in sales for a second, and then you saw a massive dump. So the market makers are still trying to dump this. They are trying to dump this. They don't want this to go up today because they know that retail is going to make money because everybody's bullish. Everybody's bullish today because of the news, and they're going to try their damnedest to for you to lose your money. They want to take your money. That's what these people do. That's what the hedge funds do, and that's what they're trying to do. So they're trying to kill this right now, knowing that everybody's bullish. All the retail is bullish on this. So this is where it goes back to where my level 2 indicator and me changing the way I trade, where I just scalp here and scalp there. That's what I should do. I'm sitting here holding this like a retard. You know what I mean? I shouldn't be doing that. But I've already formed the bias, and I believe this thing will be at $70 by the end of the day. It should be at $70 by the end of the day. I've already formed the bias. They've already got mine. They already got me. So, yeah, the SPY is really trying hard. Those hedge funds are really pushing this down. They know that there's a lot of retail pushing this, trying to make this go up. A lot of retail is bullish today. But those hedge funds, see those big orders right there? That's not retail. Look at all that. Look at all that red. That's not retail right there. Those are hedge funds trying to take our money. That's what that is. Hedge funds are trying to take our money. That's what they're doing. They don't give a shit about the ceasefire. Those hedge funds are pushing this down. They're putting massive orders in to try to swamp the stock, trying to swamp the S&P. And they're hoping that people like me and you will get out and lose our ass on this. And then once we're all sold, once we're all out, then they're going to push it back up, and it's going to go up. By that time, it's already going to be noon, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. By that time, they've already shooken out all the retail traders. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Does that mean you? Look at all that massive dumping, massive selling, massive shorting. That's not me and you. I'm in there with the 40 shares. Look at that. Massive. Look at that. Yeah, I messed up. So, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, I formed the bias, and the bias is in my head still. I can't shake it. It's telling me don't sell. It's going to go up, even though I got screwed twice right there. And I'm getting pink arrows and everything. I don't know why. The brain tells you to do things like that. I don't know why. It doesn't. It's telling me don't sell. Even when I was up 70 cents, don't sell was telling me. Yeah, look at that. They're swamping this. They're swamping this big time. I'm just curious to see how long they're going to try to keep swamping. Look at that. Look at that. Just selling. Look at that. On the timing sales, you can see it in the timing sales. They're just massive orders of shorting. Because they know that all the retail people are in this going long. They know that. So until this momentum changes direction, right now the SPY is pointing down. The SPY, everything's pointing down. I'm gonna put right here, number 2. I'm gonna put the SPY right here so you can see. See the SPY? Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, the SPY is trying to kill it. Trying to kill what's going on, the 2-week ceasefire and everything. The SPY is trying to kill it. There's traders in there. There's hedge funds in there that are truly trying to force this down. It's just crazy. And right now, and here's the funny part, is that the CNBC, they're all jubilee. They're all excited. Like everything's awesome. Everything's great. They're all excited. The war, the ceasefire. Look at that. Keeps going down even more. Ceasefire. They're gonna open up the strait for 2 weeks. Let all these ships through. Supposedly the stock market was rallying. But yeah, crazy. Yeah, look at those hedge fund men. Look at all that shares. Wow. They're trying to shake out all the retail right now. They're trying to shake out all the retail. And they're doing a really good job of it. Everybody's like, sell, man. I've already lost my ass on this. Yeah, they're trying to shake out the retail right now. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I got screwed on this one. I'm a deer in the headlights right now. I'm a true deer in the headlights right now. I'm so pissed off at myself, and I'm watching this thing tank. I can't hit the sell button. I hit the sell button, I'm walking away. I'm so pissed off at myself. And then as soon as you hit the sell button, because I'm down so much that as soon as I walk away, I'll look at it a couple hours from now. This thing is at $70. How pissed off will I be? Look at that. Massive orders of dumping, selling, selling, selling. Massive orders. Look at that. Unbelievable. Yeah, because if you look at the daily chart, let me go back to right here. You see the daily chart right there on the top? That little box? Look at that. It already made the move up. 57, 60. It already moved up $10. It moved up $10 already. I gotta learn that because that happened to me before with Oxy, where it already made the move in the middle of the night. So when you get in, think it's gonna go longer. It's already made the move. It already made $10 move. So you see that right there. It went up $10 already. Since it already went up $10, all the hedge funds are selling everything off now. They've already made their money. It went up $10. Now they're going to sell off, and all the retail thinking that they're going to jump in today and make a killing on it. But the hedge funds they're gonna sell it all off. They're going to sell it all off because they already made their $10 overnight. They may already made the $10 overnight. Crazy. So so yeah, I need to see this to turn back up. That's the only way. And I'm already committed. Look at that. I'm already committed to this. I'm already committed. So, idiot. I've already committed myself to this. So, if this thing starts to go back up, maybe they feel that they've already shooken out all the retailers. Maybe. But, yeah, this is not looking good for me, man, because I messed up. I formed a bias. And my bias is strong in my head. It's still strong. The bias is still strong. I effed up totally big time. The human mind can get distracted so much that I feel I'm emotionally hijacked right now. I'm emotionally hijacked right now. I broke all my rules today, so broke all the rules. I'm emotionally hijacked. Well, I got something in. I got some food in the oven cooking, so at least I'll take a little break and go and I got. I think I got like 13 more minutes before the my alarm goes off to take the food out of the oven. But yeah, emotionally hijacked. That's what I am, man. See that noise? You hear that noise? That noise tells me it's going up. But I need to hear that every 2 seconds now. Bam, 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 bam. Every minute needs to like do that for me. So yeah. Look at that. Those hedge funds, man. Crazy. They don't want this thing to change. They really push this thing down. I'm really surprised. Stock surge. Treasuries, what? Treasuries reverse. Crude oil goes down. 2 week ceasefire. And the hedge funds say, let's kill this. Let's destroy the S&P. Sell, sell, short, short, short everything. Short everything. And I truly, after looking at this, they might try to hold this down below the open because the open is what's the open price? The open price is 66.32, 66.33. Yeah, they're gonna try to hold. Yeah, 66.33. There it is. I got food in the oven, man. I gotta take it out. So give me a second, yeah. Still holding it down. Crazy. Absolute crazy. Still holding it down. Unbelievable. Still waiting for this thing to turn up again. Still waiting for it. Mm-hmm. Give me a second. All right, we're back. Looks like the fix is in, huh? They already priced it all in. I'm looking back right here. Look on the chart on the left. It started taking off around $57, and went as high as 67. So 57 to 67. It was already priced in overnight. Yep, ever since, well, yesterday. So they already knew this before the aftermarket even closed. They've already priced it in. They already priced in $10 before the aftermarket even closed. So that's why everybody's like, what's going on? How come it's not at the moon right now? Yep, I didn't see that until right now. And I will never, ever do that again. Once you see something that's already priced in overnight, prepare to lose your ass the next day. Because that's how it is. So I'm just hoping for this thing too. That's what I'm hoping. So yeah, I messed up, man. I totally messed up. Totally messed up. One quick second. So it's already 10:30, 1 hour in. Yeah, man, it's pretty. This is a. Yeah. Look at that. You see that right there? That death candle. They push it up and bam, right back down. Yeah. So. I was supposed to be hyperscalping this, but I'm already discombobulated over what the news got me. The news have destroyed my mind. I'm emotionally hijacked, so. And that's not good when you're trying to trade, right? It's not good at all. Not good. So as you can still see, that blue line is the true number I believe that I'm in because of my loss. That's the true number. That's the true number that I believe I'm in. So the SPY is kind of sideways. Kinda. Well, if I look at that chart over there, it looks like it's sideways. Over here, it looks like it's. Yeah, it don't look good over here. This chart right here looks. Compared to the one I have over here, the other one over here looks more sideways than this one. This one looks like it's straight down death candles. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Straight down death candles. I took off that 200 EMA. I should have just put it right back on here. I don't know why I took it off. I took it off because I took it off. What the hell's going on here? 10, 20. Where's the 200? That's crazy. Why would I take that off completely? I usually just hide them. Get a red, super red. I think that's the red right there. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like that's what happened here. The market already priced in $10. It went up $10 last night. Yeah, $10. So this might be cooked. This might be cooked for the day, pretty much. Unless at the end of the day it'll start curling back up. But right now the the market makers are making sure that this thing is cooked. Yeah. Yeah, they've already decided that the $10 is already priced in. It's the same thing that got me with Oxy. Same thing, man. Same thing with Oxy. Crazy. So does this trend up, or is this? Are they going to just try to keep? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Death candles. Death candles. Yeah. So yeah. How many times you ever heard like they say, "Well, good news," and the market tanked on good news? How many times did that ever happen? A lot. A lot. So so good news for me is no bueno, man. No bueno. Good news is no good. Yeah. So this market is still tanking. They are truly trying to tank this. I mean, is there going to be some type of reversal here? Is the market going to reverse back up sometime here today, or are they just going to keep hammering it and hammering it and hammering it? Because that's what they're probably going to do. They're just going to keep hammering it. But I tell you this: all the retail is happy. The world is happy that there's a ceasefire for 2 weeks. Like I said, but the market is truly disconnected. It's truly disconnected from the rest of the world. So truly disconnected. On the left there, um, it looks like the semiconductors are trying to be bullish, but the SPY is just holding it down. The SPY is not letting it take off. That's what it looks like. Yeah, it looks like the SPY is truly trying to hold back the semiconductors. So, so there's nothing you can do about that. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. Look at the market selling off, selling off on good news. And since I've already formed a bias, I totally mentally hijacked myself on this one. So this is where the mentally hijacked. It's like, you know what? Take all my money. I don't give a shit no more. Like that kind of feeling. Like, and I shouldn't be thinking like that. But that's what sometimes I feel like that. It's like, you know what? I don't deserve this today at all. Yeah, they're really trying to hold this down. And the semiconductors are trying. You can tell. You look at the chart on the left compared to the chart on the right. I mean, the semiconductors are trying to be bullish, trying, but the overall market's holding them down. Yeah, the overall market. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that constant sell-off. The overall market is trying to hold down the semiconductors. Just selling off big time. Selling, selling, selling. And the semiconductors are trying so hard to stay up. But what? See, I don't know. I need to look at the prospectus on what does SOXL truly hold in their in that ETF. Because if those guys are bullish, even though the market is still bearish, can those stocks just do their own thing? I don't know. Or the market. Look at that death candle. Look at that death candle. Look at that. Totally biased, man. Totally biased. Look at that. Yeah, the market's just selling off like crazy. And the semiconductors are trying. Look at that. They're trying so hard to be positive. But the overall market is trying to sell off. They got you. They got you. Ha ha! Got your ass. That's what they're doing right now. That's what they're saying. Got your ass. Got you. Because if I tell you right now, if I turn on CNBC, they're going to be all happy about the ceasefire and the Treasury's reversed. The Treasury notes have reversed. The stock market is bullish, but the stock market is not bullish. The stock market is selling off on this good news. The hedge funds are forcing this sell off. The hedge funds, look at that, just constant dumping. Look at that, and that's what's holding back the semiconductors. Because it looks like the semiconductors are trying to be bullish, but they can't because the overall market is trying to. These hedge funds are trying to sell off the overall market. But if it does reverse, if the SPY does reverse and start to go up, I see the semiconductors really taking off. Yeah. If this reverses and goes back up, I see the semiconductors being at $70. SOXL will be at 70 by the end of the day. If this does end up reversing. But look at it. Just constantly selling off. The 200 on the semiconductors is pointing up. The 200 on the SPY is pointing down. The 20 on the SPY is pointing down. So they're trying to go up. You could tell. But man, look at this. Just what stocks are dragging this down? I don't get it. Look at that. I don't understand the sell-off here. And it reminds me of Oxy. They just pulled the rug, man. They pulled the rug. They pulled the retail rug, right? And that's the thing. I shouldn't be forming a buy. I should just trade this. I should just trade the price action. And today I'm not going to do that. I feel like I'm already emotional hijacked. I'm not going to do that today. But thank God my account is so small, so it doesn't really reflect anything. Yeah. Thank God it's so small. So I'm going to go over here. I got to find out what is dragging this market down. So I'm going to open this up. Find out what's going on here. Let's see. Is it coin? Is it Bitcoin? Is it Bitcoin? I don't. Yeah, Bitcoin's being dragged down too. What else? Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia's being dragged down too. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's trying to go up, but yeah. Yeah, you could tell. Give me a second. All right. Look at that. Complete sell off, man. It was already priced in last night. Complete sell off. Can you imagine these guys drag this thing all the way back down to $54? Back to 57 just because they can? The hedge funds, these people are truly in charge, man. Wow. Look at that. They are. They're dragging this down. Wow. Yeah, they are. They're truly selling this thing off. Look at that. Just selling, selling. Because they made all the money last night. They've already made all their money last night. Yeah. Crazy. So we're gonna rally on Tesla a little bit. Bitcoin, everybody's just pushing up a little bit. Everybody's pushing up just a touch. But who the hell is selling everything? Tesla just sold off hard right there. But who the hell is selling off everything? What stock is selling off big time? I don't know. And I don't want to go to CNBC. Let me see what chat. This. Let me see. Okay. It says that Oxy is selling off. Chemical. Look at that. Look at that. I'm out. I'm out. Yeah. Down $46. That is a $1 down. That's $1 down. Let's do the math. Yeah, I'm down $1 today. Let's see. Yeah. $41 would be a dollar. $41 would be a dollar. So I'm just over a dollar. I'm down like a dollar. So about a dollar. I'm down about a dollar. Yeah. And this market is selling off. Yeah. I'm down a dollar. So look at that. Complete sell off. So the SPY is definitely doing what they did. The SPY was pushing this down so hard that this ETF just gave up. Says, we can't keep going. Trying to get bullish, but can't do it. So this ETF couldn't handle it. So now look at it. They sold off. They said, we can't fight it. The overall market sold off, so we can't fight it. So the SPY is totally effed the rest of the market. Yeah, look at that. Complete sell off on the semiconductors. Look at that. Now the semiconductors were beaten down so much, now they're selling off themselves. I don't even want to jump in. It's too extended. I just, yeah, couldn't do it anymore. Too extended. Yeah. I need this to trend up. Does everybody give up here? Probably. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's still selling off big time. So I'm gonna wait for the reversal to get back in. But there might not be no reversal because if this tries reverses and this thing keeps pulling down, I'm just gonna end up killing. You know what I mean? I need these to correlate together to go up. If I try to jump in this long and this is still selling off, I'll end up shooting myself in the foot on that one. So yeah, it's not worth it. I'm not even gonna attempt it. Yeah, I'm not even gonna attempt it. I'm down a dollar. Today I'm down a dollar. So I need this. I need the market to cool off. I need this to uptrend. In order for this, I don't even want to go short. I need this to uptrend. I need this to curl back up. That's what I need. I need this to curl back up. If this can curl back up, then we might have something here. But in the meantime, I'm not going to jump in long. I want to go long, but I'm going to wait. I need to curl back up. I need these to turn over and go up because I think it's over. It's already sold off too much. But it might sold off. It might sell off all damn day, and that's the way the market is. See, they're continuing selling it off all day. That's what the hedge funds decided to sell it off, and they're all on the same page this time. It's not like it's a fight. They're all on the same page to sell this thing off today. Like I said, they've already made $10 last night, and right now they're selling it off to $10. This will rally, not now, but it will rally back up. Yeah. Look at that picture right there on the left. Look at that. All the way up. And then look at that right there. Look at those candles. Selling off. How far down? Maybe they're going to bounce off to 200 on the 5 minute. I don't know. But right now, it's a complete sell off. And I don't want anything to do with it. So this thing needs to curve back up. But that might be a trap too when it curls back up. Because if you go right here, well, you can't see it, but yeah, it's still selling off. Crazy. Yeah. Yeah. It says that large cap energy and tech related names are selling off the market. So the energy stocks, you would think, see, this thing was going down. This was going down when the oil was going up, and now oil's going down, and this is going down too. Because oil is selling off so hard that it's pulling the whole market down with it. What? Yeah. See, that's why you can't read the freaking tea leaves with these guys. You can't form a bias. You just gotta trade the price action. That's it. And right now, this thing is selling off so much that yeah, I'm down $1. Down $1. I would think that the oil prices would sell off, so the rest of the market would go up. No. When oil went up, the market was selling off. Now the oil's going down, the market is selling off. Pretty trippy there. So, if you look up there in the top left, you see you got two big candles right there, buddy. Two big candles. Let me move this to a 15-minute chart. See where we're at. Go to 15 minutes. So there's your 15-minute chart. And that is selling off. But SOXL and SOXS has an average true range of like $4 to $5. So I am down $1, but there still might be an opportunity to recover a little bit. And I'll keep an eye on that. So it looks like I'll be here for a while, but I'm going to try to get that dollar back and break even at least. Because $1 is about 50 cents. $1 right now, since my account's so low, is about $50. 100 cents equals about $50. Because that was my daily goal, is $1 a day. So let's see what happens here. Let's check the hourly chart. The hourly. Down, up, down, up. You see? It's kind of strange but in the middle of the night, in the middle of the night, that's where all the misdeeds are done, I guess. They sell it off in the middle of the night, and they rally it up in the middle of the night. I should have kept an eye on that. I should have really thought about that, because that's what happened to me with the Oxy. That's what happened. Let's pull in. Look at that. That's the 1 hour chart. Yeah, it rallied all night. That's what happened. It was already priced in. And my dumbass, I form a bias instead of trading the price action. So, yeah. Price action. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Price action. You see that? Green candle, green candle, green candle. 50 cents up, 50 cents down. Done for the day. Just stay in it. 50 cents up again, 50 cents down. $2 for the day. Just trading the price action. Who gives a who gives a hoot about what's going on with the rest of the world? Because should just trade the price action. Yep. Yeah. This day is a done day. I was $67 yesterday, so I'm down $20. Well, $40. I'm down $40 today from yesterday. See that? This is what I was afraid of because if I did jump in this, and since the market is still selling off, I would have lost my ass right here. Look at that. It jumped in, thinking that it's going to keep going up, but see the direction, the momentum is pulling down. The whole market's selling off. So in order for me to make any headway, I need this to go the opposite direction. Man, I really thought the market would be at $70 today. I really did because of the good news. I really thought that. See, even when I'm not even watching Donald Trump, he's effing me up. He F of everybody, man. How many retail traders lost their ass today? How many retail traders? A lot. See that? Go long and but the price action, I just jump in here, right? And then sell out here. Yeah. I don't want to chase it. Even though I could. But I don't want to. Screw it. I'm gonna chase it. I'm chasing it now. And as soon as you chase it, what happens next? Chasing it, buddy. I'm chasing it. As soon as you chase it, what happens next? Clear all drawing set. I'm in at 64.31. 64.31. Yep. And it went right back up. Chasing it. Look at that. Chasing it. Look at that. I'm chasing it. Look what happened. Down 23 cents, just like this. For chasing it. Down 23 cents, just like this. For chasing it. Down 30 cents, chasing it. 33 cents. I'll be truly happy just to break free. Just to break even. Truly happy. Just to break even. Idiot. Look at that. Selling off like crazy. Crazy. How does the market sell off like that? That's just weird. I don't get it. Learn a valuable lesson, folks. Learn a valuable lesson right here. Learn a valuable lesson. Do I get my dollar back now? What the hell? Do I get my dollar back? No. Come on. They're making a lot of money right now. They're making a lot of money if this thing's selling off. Do I make my dollar back here? Do I break even? No way. See the semiconductors? It's like they really want to go bullish, man. They really do. I, I covered, man. I didn't make anything off that. I made 82 cents. I made 82 cents off that. Idiot. Come on, man. Rally. Shit. Come on, let's go. Damn. They won't let it rally. Come on, rally. Let's go. It's trying to rally. It's trying. Truly is trying. On the 15 minute, I got a green candle on the 15 minute. It's trying to rally. Come on, push this mother, man, all the way up. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna take that off the table. I'm gonna take that off the table right there. Take that off the table. I'm down $16. So I've made back. Well, I got like about 30 cents left to make back. About 30 cents left to make back. Yeah. Well, I was down 20, 30. Yeah, about 20 cents. Yeah. 16 cents. Um, uh, let's see. Let's see if I can get a push on here. If we get a green arrow, we might have something here. This thing bounces back off to 20. I can make the other 30 cents. I'm going to see where this goes. This is where the hyper scalping comes in. Now I got to make 20 cents here and there. Let's see. When you hear that bing, that sound, I'd like to hear two of them. One on the SPY and one on the Soxel. Then that will truly tell me that we're going up. See the SPY? Trying to hold it down. I got green candle on the left, red candle on the right. If that candle on the right turns green, the next one, in 7 seconds, I'm gonna go long. If the next candle can turn green, right here. No, it was red. See that? Red candle. If that candle can turn green, I'm in. There we go. We got one. Come on. 4 cents. 4 cents. 2 cents. 3 cents. There we go. Come on. 30 cents. I think I need like about 30 cents to cover this. 30 cents to break even. we get a rally here? 6 cents. Got to pull back. Why is it pulling back on the? Ugh! Damn! Down 18 cents just like that. Maybe that was just a pullback, right? Oh man, 12 cents, 10 cents. Yeah. I'm looking for the rally, buddy. Come on, man. Go green. Come on, let's go. Let's go green. Come on, go green. Let's go. Ah. Ah. Damn it. Damn it. I'm out. It's going to pull it right back down. Do that. It's going to pull it right back down. Tried to go green. It tried. But they're going to sell this off even more now. Yeah. Yeah, there it goes. If I see a red arrow, I'm going to go short. But it's trending. It seems like it wants to trend up. But the overall market, they're trying to pull it down. Tesla's ripping down. Bitcoin's going down. Yeah. I don't know which one is the major players. The major players are pulling this down. Somebody's dumping a lot of shares, man. A lot of shares. Somebody's dumping because they made their profit. I mean, why not? They made their profit last night. They're trying to get their money back now. I see what's going on here. Yeah, they made their profit already. See that? Got a red arrow. Got a red arrow. I'm going in short. I'm going in short. Got the red arrow right there. Does it keep going down? Yes, it does. 10 cents. Does it still go down? Yeah, it's trying to be bullish. Damn it. Damn it, it's trying to be bullish. Damn it. Shit. Ah! Down $31 now. It was down 16. You take that down, you take that back up, you take the next one back down. Man, they're really trying to sell this off, man. Damn it, look at that. I don't want to chase it, man. I don't want to chase it. Damn, I'm chasing it. As soon as I got in, chase it. Come on. 65.40. Oh, God, I'm way over here. 65.40. I'm right there. Come on. 65.40. $31. Let's break even today. 65.40. 11 o'clock. Going on 2 hours. Going on 2 hours here. I got the 200. I got a big green candle on the 5 minute. We're trending back up, it looks like. Hopefully we're trending back up. Everything looks like we're gonna be trending back up. I don't know. The spy don't shoot us in the foot. $30 to go in this candle. A long time. 30 seconds to go in this candle. Here we go. 22 cents, 25 cents. Here we go. Come on, guys, rally. Idiots. Don't want to rally. Shit, man. Don't want to rally for nothing. Come on, push up. Ugh. Every time. Look at the spy. Come on, spy. Got the spy on the right. Got Soxo on the left. Spy gonna push up. Is this where it starts to curl up and spy? It's already 11:16. Are we gonna see a little rally here? Oh God, look at that. Every time it tries, it just pulls it right back down. Every time it tries. Come on, guys. Flip the switch on this. Let's go long on this. Come on, flip the switch. Well, 30 cents right there. Come on, flip the switch. Let's go. Pump this bad boy. Buyers are coming in. Just got a green arrow. Green arrow. Let's go. Buyers are coming in. Pump this up. Come on. We're going to take that 50 cents off the table. I'm going to wait for the pullback. Jump back in again. I don't know. Everything's trending up. I might have made a mistake there. Yeah, this thing might shoot right up right now. We're already above the 200 on the 1 minute. The SPY looks like it's gonna Yeah, I'm gonna go back in again. 65.88. 65.88 is way the hell up here. Move. Let's pull this back a little bit. Does it look like it's trying? I mean, come on, SPY. Push up, man. Down 11 cents. Right now, some good news on CNBC would be perfect, huh? But look at that. Oh, yeah, they're going to try to sell this off. Come on. Damn. Come on, man. We're going to bomb them all. I need some good news from Trump right now. I need some good news from Trump. Trump's going to come out. Ceasefire. Good news from Trump. Wow, that candle reversed. That whole candle reversed right there. That thing went down and it turned green. That's crazy. That thing reversed big time. Are we gonna go? Are we going sideways? I think we are starting to go sideways. There we go. I hear that sound. You hear that sound? That's the sound you want to hear right there. You don't want to hear the ding. You want to hear that sound. That's the sound you want to hear. Come on. There you go. That's the sound you want to hear right there. That's the sound you want to hear. I don't see. There's no arrow on the SPY, but there's an arrow on the 10 cent. Come on. Come on, SPY. Turn around. Finally. Here we go. Does the SPY turn around here? This over here would be uh-oh. This will be pivotal. So cancel. I was trying to sell out, but I canceled it real quick because I was up 20 cents. I was up 20 cents. Damn it! Get out. Down to $9. Everything's uptrending now. All the indicators are pointing up. Everything's pointing up. I got a red candle in the 5 minute. I got a red candle forming in the 5 minute. I think it should go down. It should. I don't know, but the SPY looks like it's trying to turn around. I don't know. Here we go, all the way down. Bounce off that 10, and I'll get right back in again. I'm in. 96. Damn, that's way the hell up here. 96. Remove. I'm in 96. I'm up 7 cents already. All right. Shit, I got in too early. Come on, Spy. Turn around here. $9, down $9. I don't know why, but I just feel that I'm gonna get a rug pull here. I'm gonna get a rug pull here. I just feel it. I just feel it in my bones. I'm gonna get a rug pull here for sure. I just feel it. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna. Oh, ouch. Rug pull, man. Rug pull. Yeah. Because I just saw a pink arrow right there. Pink arrow. Okay, we got a green. Well, we did have a green arrow. Here we go. Had a green arrow. Another green arrow. Come on, push this. Buyers are coming in. It says buyers are coming in. Another rug pull. Ugh. I'm out. Can't trust it. Can't trust it. Can't trust it. As soon as you get out, watch. Boom, straight up. Can't trust it. I see indecision everywhere. I see Tesla going down. Got another green candle. Got two green candles right here. A green arrow, I mean. Green arrow. When you get a green arrow like that, 04. 6604. Edit. 6604. 6604. Getting a rug pull. Damn it! I'm down 9 cents. And the trash guy's here. Down 11 cents. And the spy's. Oh, come on! The spy's trying to go up. Let's go! Damn it! Rug pull! Damn it! That's what I was afraid of, man. The rug pull. Damn it! 25-cent rug pull, man. I'm out. As soon as I got out, I got a pink, I got a purple, pink arrow. I got a pink arrow. I got a purple arrow. Whatever you want to freaking call it. I think I should change this color, man. It's pissing me off. I keep saying pink and purple. What the hell it is? I'm in. I just got this. This thing just turned. It's more, and this was already two red candles. Come on. Even though I said 65.92, but I'm so close to 93. It's not even funny. Come on! I'm getting rug pulled here, left and right. Damn! I'm getting rug pulled here. Every time I jump in, I'm getting rug pulled. Come on, let's go. Indecision like a mother, man. I'm telling you, indecision. Indecision like crazy. What's that noise? I got that sound, but I don't see anything. Okay, right there. Come on, let's make some noise here. Come on, push up. I can't seem to make the headwind. Can't seem to do it, man. Yeah, there it is. Trying to sell off right here. I'm in. 65.79. Edit 65.79. Way down here. Good. All right. Let's get 10 cents. Let's get this. Let's break even. Yeah? Cheese and crackers, man. Let's go. Let's break even here. Man. They're not correlating with each other. It's not correlating. Man, it's trying to. Here we go. Come on. Shit, I gotta get out of this, man. This thing's not. 10 cents? Can I get 10 cents right here? Come on, 10 cents. 10 cents. Jeez. 10 cents, man. Come on. 8 cents. Couldn't do it, man. It's too choppy right there. I'll get in when I see an arrow. If there's an arrow pop in, I'm gonna get in. This might just dive too. Yeah. This might just dive right here. Everybody, it's like everybody's waiting, like they're all waiting. Like, is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? Everybody's like, they got their hand on the buy button or the sell button. That's what it feels like. That's what it feels like. They got their hand on the buy button or the sell button. Like, is this gonna go long or is this gonna go short? Right now, it's like indecision, and the SPY is not correlating with the Soxel right now. Is it trying to go up? I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. What's my price? 65.86. 65.86. 65.86. I'm up a measly 4 cents. And now it's hard over here. Come on. Damn. Whew. Come on. 5 cents don't cut it for me, man. I need $1 here. I need $1. 5 cents don't cut it. Come on, let's go. Let's get a rally here. 6 cents. Come on. Give me 30 cents. 10 cents? Everybody's scared, man. Everybody's scared. I'm out. $6. We're almost there. I got out. I got scared. Like everybody else, we're all scared. We don't want the rug pull. Nobody wants the rug pull. Look at that. You got the more sound right there. Are we in? No, don't be in. Scared. Just got scared there, buddy. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Got scared. When does everybody jump in? Everybody jumping in now, right? Everybody's jumping in. Everybody's jumping in now. They're all scared. You can tell everybody's all scared. $4. Let's break even. We'll call it. I'm not even going to trade today with the rest of this, man. I just want to break even. I was at 902. I was at 902. Yeah, everybody's scared. Scared to go long. What's my scared to go long? 66.13. Ugh, I'm way the hell up here. Great. I got 81. I need $2. So I need 904. I need 904. $9.05 to break even. 905 to break even. 902, 903, 904. Here we go. Out. Done. $4. I'm up four. No, I'm not up $4. I'm up. I'm actually broke even. Well, I'm up $2. 84, 58, 37 is what? 84 is dollar 60. Plus that I did how many? I shorted a little bit, so dollar 60, dollar 70. So I'm up $2. That's it, man. $2. Broke even. So there it is. Disappointed myself. Didn't work out. I broke even. I'm really tired. I don't know why I'm tired, but I'm frustrated from my performance today. I was emotionally hijacked, and I'm done for the day. These are things I need to learn so I don't overtrade and kill myself, because I mean, even though I'm not up a lot of money, but I believe when you start off fresh, that things can that you start fresh when the market first opened. Right now it's almost 2.5 hours. Well, it's two hours right now. I mean, can the market keep going up and down, up and down? Can I make money? Yeah, but I'm trying to learn to practice where I can do it all within the first hour, if not hour and a half, 2 hours, and that's it. And I was emotionally hijacked, and I do apologize, but I recognize what I need to do. But I broke even, and I'm done. So imagine this if this was $100,000. That I don't look at the amount, and I just look at the numbers, I mean, the cents, because I'm trying to make 100 cents a day. So I was down 50 cents, and I end up coming back $1.50 to make up for that. No, I come up. I was down 50 cents. I end up coming back and I make it up to 50 cents. So I was emotionally hijacked. So, and I'm okay with that. I feel better, and I broke even. So tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's Thursday, and I'll be right back at it tomorrow morning, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks a lot.